new subscribers to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you. This is my very first subscription box from the Stationery selection box. This month is for the month of September. So let's put my notes aside. So the first thing I noticed, there is 4 color pencils in this box, and these colors are selected in this box by a couple people. It comes with, I'm not sure if all the boxes gets the same color, but mine comes with 4 colors. So I got the burnt umber, yellow ochre, Parisian blue, and crimson. And the next thing I see, I've got a I don't know what brand this is. I think it's called Kokuyo drawing pencils, 0.5mm, in the color sepia. I hope I'm pronouncing the color right. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, and I believe this is waterproof. Yes. I've got a pencil sharpener. This is the Mitsubishi pencil sharpener, and this is to be used with for the color pencils that's in the box. Yeah. And the next thing you will notice is this watercolor set. Let's have a look. Sorry about the noise. I leave the packaging aside. You get a set of 12 colors. Very, very compact. So you have, I think it's more like the normal 12 primary colors. The primary colors you get, like you get black, purple, you get brown, red, orange, probably something like a yellow ochre, and then you have a dark green, and then you have, I think that's more like sage green, yellow, blue, dark blue, and then maybe something similar to this lighter blue, the Parisian blue, and white. You also get a case with also a watercolor brush, water bottle for you to put your water when you're out and about, and some watercolor postcards. And in this box you also get an airbrush, a Pentel airbrush that matches, is the same color as your drawing pen. And you also get this empty slim adhesive tape, which is quite useful if you are drawing a paint or a watercolor painting in your journal, and this can be used to mask up the corners to keep your painting tidy, which is very helpful. It comes in 3 packs, 6mm. And you also get a postcard. And this is the business card. It has all the information and email and all the details of the stationery selection. But I'll put the links down below if you're interested in subscribing, or if you want to check out the channel and website. Now let's set this on the go watercolor, I would say pocket pouch for your watercolor. Let's set this up. So I believe you put your watercolor in here. Then you have to slide it through the band, like so. Put your watercolor pen in there and the masking tape. Put maybe the postcard. In here. Water bottle in there. So, quite a nice pouch for on the go. I believe you could put other stuff you want. There's some more pockets in here for other stuff, but that's how it looks with the essential in there. Very nice. So this is September month of the stationery selection box. I hope you enjoy this unboxing, and if you like this video, can you please tap the like button, and if you want to see more videos like that, please subscribe to my channel. I will probably have a follow-up video how I use the watercolor, and maybe do a watercolor test, and maybe pen tests and washes with the watercolor. Thank you for stopping by, and hope you have a nice weekend. Thank you.